Hey guys, I'm with Forui machinery. In today's video, I'll show you our barite wash plant. Let's take a look.
In this bustling barite upgrading plant, there's a behind-the-scenes hero, mineral jig. It successfully increased the specific gravity of the challenging gray barite to 4.2, fully meeting the customer's requirements.
Already here. Let's go.
I'm now in the jigging separation workshop.
Let's take a closer look at this jigging machine. Its jigging chamber adopts a trapezoidal design, where the slurry flow rate gradually decreases from the narrow end to the wide end. This allows fine-grained heavy minerals sufficient time to settle, significantly improving recovery rates. Additionally, this customized jig is equipped with 10 independently adjustable jigging chambers, which can flexibly adjust the stroke and frequency according to the characteristics of different minerals, achieving precise separation. Through the fine processing of the Forui mineral jig, the specific gravity of the raw barite ore, which was 3.6, has been successfully increased to 4.2. Our customer is very satisfied and he has given us high praise. Now listen to the melody of the Forui jig at work. Every pulse represents the birth of high-quality barite. The Forui mineral jig not only improves beneficiation efficiency but also brings significant economic benefits to customers.